Elsa and Anna's palace is getting bigger. Olaf is going to build an office. Make a corner out of styrofoam. Round the tops of the walls. Here's our wallpaper. Trace a template. And cut out a window opening. Now put down a floor. Kaya! Great job! I'll bring the tube! Anna dove into the paper towels to get us the tube. And I got a new dress too! Cut the tube in half. Now paint styrofoam pieces white. And make a column. Paint it white. Put it in the corner on a podium. Add a topper. Surround the column with vertical pieces. We'll also need pearly snowflakes. Now we'll add 2 more columns. Cover styrofoam pieces with glittery foam paper. Put lace along the walls. Oh, it's a beautiful winter day outside. Draw frost. And add icicles along the tops of the walls. Let's sew curtains. Here are the pieces we need. Add white ribbon. There are hooks in the walls. The curtain is hanging over the window. The sun doesn't shine a lot in winter, but Elsa still put in a big, beautiful window with pretty curtains. Let's make a fireplace out of thick cardboard. Here are the pieces we need. Paint them white. Decorate it with ribbon. And there's an elegant decoration on the mantel. This fireplace makes the room so cozy. We can use this old mirror. Paint the frame and decorate the top with a piece like this. And there are pearls around the edge. When Elsa looks into the mirror, it gets covered in frost. That's beautiful! Now let's make a furniture set. Snap! It's whirling around, and it turns into a chest of drawers. Cover the outer walls with foam paper. Mark the drawers. Add a decoration like this. And handles. Put it next to the fireplace. What are we missing? Oh, new doors! We'll need these pieces. Combine 2 cardboard arches with a tabletop. Take off the protective layer and add sparkle to the legs. Add decor to the sides. This desk matches the office perfectly. Let's add blue foil paper to the top. Cut out 3 pieces to make a chair. Put the sides and the back together. Add a snowflake. There are molded decorations on the sides. This frozen chair matches everything else. Let's put it by the desk. This is the perfect place to read or study because this chair is super comfortable. What are these cardboard legs going to turn into? Wow, a piano! And black and white keys. You can sit here and play piano all day long. Let's put a fluffy rug in the middle of the room. There's sheet music on the piano. Wow, so many snowflakes! Let's bend the edges. Attach a candle. Light it up. There's a quill next to it in a stand. Elsa puts candles all over the castle. The soft lighting makes the whole place seem like something out of a fairy tale. There's a candle on the desk, next to a quill and inkwell. Elsa was writing a letter to Olaf. Her shelves are full of rare books. It's freezing cold in this office. But the office is full of things that could melt anyone's heart. Elsa loves reading books and writing music. Olaf is here for a housewarming party, even though no one invited him. What's this? A piano? I remember a song. Whoa! Oh, gotta hide! Olaf is trying to find a place to hide. Oh, the piano! Olaf, where are you? She'll never find me. Hello! Hey! I looked everywhere for you. Where'd you go? I was hiding behind the piano. Oh, typical Olaf. Now let's go. We have a lot to do. We can use sponges not only for washing the dishes. How about a throne? That's an unusual choice, right? A couple of seahorses will serve as a back for a throne. Make legs out of a sponge. Add the sides. What a gorgeous throne! Hello, miss me? I'll try all the new things first. Ruling a kingdom is not an easy task, but it's even more difficult to sit on an icy throne for hours. Elsa got so carried away reading that she didn't notice how her back started hurting. Oh, my back, Olaf. I'm here. Wow, what's wrong with you? My back hurts because of the throne. Olaf will save you. Wait a minute. A snowman brought her a new throne. Wow. Take a seat. Oh, what's that? Sponges? So soft and bouncy. This orthopedic throne is such a treat for my back. Elsa got so relaxed that she fell asleep. Hello, Your Highness. Looks like she fell asleep. I'll cover the Sleeping Beauty with a blanket.